Check out this Kia 2021 Seltos EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 146 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with climate control, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.